if a $90,000 Audi could lose most of its value overnight? Not because of a crash or abuse, but due to one silent failure that no one warned about. This isn't clickbait or exaggeration. This is a real story that shocked car lovers, mechanics, and luxury buyers. A vehicle once celebrated for its design, performance, and prestige didn't slowly lose value over the years. Instead, it collapsed almost instantly. One day, it was a symbol of success. The next day, it was nearly worthless. Imagine owning a luxury Audi that once sat proudly in a showroom priced near $90,000. It offered a smooth ride, high-tech features, premium materials, and that unmistakable German engineering badge. Everything about it felt high-end and delivered exactly what it promised for years. Then something minor went wrong. There was no dramatic accident, reckless driving, or clear warning signs. Just one small failure that quietly set off a chain reaction. The engine started having problems. The electronics began malfunctioning. Warning lights lit up like a Christmas tree. Systems that relied on each other began shutting down one by one. What followed wasn't just a simple repair. It turned into a financial nightmare. Repair estimates soared into the tens of thousands. Parts were expensive, and labor required specialized skills. Diagnostics alone cost more than some used cars. The worst part? Fixing one issue didn't ensure that the others would be resolved. The car became unreliable, unpredictable, and hard to justify repairing. Almost overnight, that $90,000 Audi was worth $4,000. Not because it looked bad or drove poorly, but because the risk of owning it became too great for anyone willing to buy. This is the hidden side of luxury cars that most people never hear about. It's the reality obscured by glossy ads and showroom smiles. While modern German engineering can be brilliant, it is also fragile. These cars are technical masterpieces, but they are also tightly connected machines where one failure can impact everything. In this video, you'll see how this Audi went from dream car to disaster. We'll explain what broke, why it broke, and how modern luxury vehicles can turn minor issues into major system failures. You'll learn why depreciation can hit luxury cars harder than any accident, and why some high-end vehicles turn into financial traps once warranties expire. If you love cars, this story is important. If you're considering buying a used luxury car, this story could save you thousands. And if you think expensive cars always mean lasting quality, this story might change your view completely. Tap the like button to support truthful car stories that dealerships won't share. Subscribe so you never miss updates that protect your wallet. And stay until the end, because this Audi disaster shows that sometimes the most expensive cars become the biggest nightmares. Ever wonder how a $90,000 Audi can suddenly be worth only $4,000? This is where it all clicks. It's not about one bad part or just some unlucky person who owned it. It's about how fancy modern cars are made, and what happens when that design bites you in the butt. At first, this Audi seemed awesome. It drove great, felt powerful, and had that high-end German car vibe. The tech was cool, the inside felt like the future, and everything worked together super well. But here's the thing. All that fancy tech that makes these cars amazing also makes them super delicate when something breaks. See, these cars are packed with electronics. Almost everything is tied together with sensors and computer controls. The engine needs electronic signals. The transmission talks through software. And even basic stuff like steering and AC are run by computers. It makes for a sweet ride, but it's also risky. If one little sensor goes out, the car freaks out. It thinks something bad is happening and goes into protection mode. Lights pop on, systems shut down, and the car feels totally broken, even if it was just a small thing to begin with. In this case, it started small. A tiny electrical issue, maybe a weak battery or weird voltage. No big deal in a regular car. But in this Audi, that little thing messed with how everything talked to each other. Errors started piling up, the computer modules got confused, and the car started reporting problems all over the place. And then the owner was pretty much stuck. If the car was still under warranty, it might have been a different story. But once those fancy cars are out of warranty, the owner is on the hook. And because the systems are so complicated, only trained people can even figure out what's wrong. So, the Audi went to the dealership. And that's where the costs went crazy. Just figuring out what's wrong can take hours, and they charge by the hour. Since they have to chase problems through software and wires, finding the real issue isn't always easy. With fancy cars, problems usually travel. It's like dominoes. If a little thing messes with the voltage, it can fry sensitive electronics. If those electronics fail, it can mess with the engine. And if the cooling system is involved, the car can overheat. So, a $150 battery or a small leak can cause damage that costs thousands. And that's what happened with this Audi. It just snowballed. When the repair estimates came back, it was painful. The costs kept going up, but the car's value kept dropping. Luxury cars lose value anyway, but when they get old and have a lot of miles, the risk is a big deal. People know the deal. If a used Audi looks like it has major electrical or engine problems, people walk away. They know one repair bill can cost more than the car is worth. So, nobody wants it. And the price tanks. That's when the car stops being something nice to have and starts being a problem. Those specialized technicians spend years learning about these systems. Their tools are expensive, their software is locked down, and they charge a lot per hour. If it takes 10 hours to figure out the problem, you pay for 10 hours. If it takes 20, it costs double. So, just the uncertainty of what it will cost is expensive. That's why the value can disappear so fast. The second a fancy car shows any sign of serious problems, the market freaks out. Fear spreads fast. Buyers vanish, offers drop, and the value is gone. This Audi disaster wasn't some weird, one-time thing. It was just an extreme example. The same stuff that makes these cars perform well, feel comfortable, and have cool features also makes them delicate. They're designed to be amazing when everything is perfect, but they aren't forgiving when things mess up. So, owning them for a long time can be risky if you don't have protection, like a good warranty. If you get all that, the story isn't so shocking. It feels kind of inevitable. The Audi didn't fail because it was a bad car. It failed because it was too advanced. And once those advanced features turned against it, the cost to fix it was more than it was worth. That's how luxury turns into regret. That's how something perfect becomes fragile. And that's how a $90,000 Audi became a $4,000 headache pretty much overnight. Can you afford the long-term costs? It's not just the purchase price you need to factor in. You also have to consider potential repair bills. Even if the car seems affordable now, those repairs could significantly impact your finances. Do you have a plan for maintenance? Luxury cars require ongoing care. Without regular maintenance, small issues can escalate into major problems. Ensure you know what maintenance the car needs and that you're ready to cover those costs. Do you have an emergency repair fund? Unlike regular cars, where you might manage with temporary fixes, luxury cars often need careful, detailed repairs. Make sure you have some savings set aside for emergencies when things go wrong. Is it really worth the risk? Buying a used luxury car may seem like a great deal, But the chance of high repair costs might make it wiser to choose a more dependable vehicle that is cheaper to maintain over time. When those cars get old, it's less about fun and more about what you are responsible for. That excitement? It turns into worry. Every weird noise, every light on the dash, every little problem makes you wonder, how much will this set me back? And that's what most people forget when buying one. That cheap price looks good. You feel like the worst is over. But really, buying it is just the start. The expenses pop up later, quietly, in the form of tune-ups, fixes, and surprise problems. Then people realize the car didn't get cheaper, you're just paying for it differently. These cars are not very forgiving if you ignore them. They don't like shortcuts, and they don't age well. All that awesome tech that made them great when new turns into a money pit as it goes bad. And when it does, the repair bill is often more than the car is worth. That's why used fancy cars are weird. They seem like killer deals, but you need to be smart for making choices. If you plan ahead, you're golden, so it's better to buy logically. So, it isn't whether a used fancy car is a terrible idea. The question is if it's right for you. Can you handle surprise costs? Do you have savings for repairs? Are you buying the car because you love it or to impress others? If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe for the real deal, and hit that bell so you don't miss anything. Now tell me, would you buy one of those cars, or is it a no-go? Drop your answer below. Share with someone who's hunting for a dream car deal, and I'll see you in the next one.